Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the OPPO K13x. Okay, so first let's open up our WhatsApp. Okay, here it is. Let me also adjust the brightness maybe a little bit. Okay, and now click on those three dots in the top right corner. Now click on the settings. Now find the chats, scroll down, click on the chat backup, and now let's discuss a few things. Let's begin with the Google account. If you click on that, currently this Google account is selected, and basically that is the Google account on which I am logged in right now in the settings of my device, in the Google settings. And on that selected account, our backup will be stored and saved. So for example, in the future, if you want to restore your backup, you will need to be logged in into the same Google account which you have selected right in here. Of course, you can always click on add to add another account, and on that account the backup will be stored. Below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option will be set on off, but we have modes such as daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup. So currently I set it on the monthly, and basically that means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually, so it's pretty convenient and comfortable feature. So I don't need to remember about creating a backup. So choose the option that you want. Below we have option to include the videos, and below we can see how many megabytes will be backupped. On the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If we choose to turn it on right in here, basically we can create a unique password that we will need to type in the future if we want to restore our backup. So if you choose to create that password, please don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your backup. You can also read about it right in here. Okay, and now all we need to do is to tap on the backup, but also make sure that you have some free Google storage space. Click on the bottom. Now the process has started, so we need to wait a few seconds until it's finished. Alright, my backup has been successfully made. We can see our confirmation when we take a look on the hour, and those hours are matching, so it means that the backup was made like 2 seconds ago. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.